In this chapter, we will show you how to fix an old kitchen cost-effectively.
Design is not about price. Design is all about how you put all the pieces together. When we design a space, particularly for interior, we don't just look at one small little zone. We screen through the entire room of 360 degrees. And so when I'm sitting outside in the living room, and to me, this cabinet down below is an eyesore. These cabinets are so dated. It's like, so you don't see that.
If you are renting a place, will you pay €20 for a design solution? Or you will spend 1,000?
When it comes to renting an apartment, when you see these kind of very beat up kitchens everywhere, there's not much you can do unless the landlord's willing to replace the entire cabinetry. And I can assure you, often they do not do that. There are two options. The first option is either repaint it all, repainted all the cabinets, and when you return the flat, you repaint it back to the original color and return to the landlord. I found one of the very good solution, which is this type of tape to paint it for these cabinets. So if anything goes wrong, you're going to basically peel off all these stickers. Design is not about price. Design is all about how you put all the pieces together. We purposely selected a very sleek and black matte color for this underneath of the cabinet. It's a very good unique look. It's just pure black. It matches the counter, so the whole thing will look just like a piece of furniture. So in terms of the price wise, it's so affordable. The material itself is so cost effective. Highly recommend it for anybody if they want to remodel their apartments. They don't want to necessarily hire a painter to repaint all the cabinets, as you have to return back the flat to the landlord. Then when you return it, there are two scenarios. One, the landlord will deduct your deposit because you repainted all the cabinets. Or number two is you basically repaint it back to the original color and return back flat to them. First, if I'm going to put these type of material on, if anything goes wrong, I'm just going to peel it up and say bye-bye. Often we go to any commercial spaces, such as lobby, public areas, and the shopping center. Quite often we use the revamp sticker almost everywhere without anybody knowing it. All the lift cars front face, we see the metal finish. Yes, it looks like metal finish, but in reality, it could be something very similar to this, but more heavy-duty usage. When we remodel a public space or the lift lobby by replacing the existing elevator doors, can cost enormously. But if we use other alternative material, just like put another layer on top of it, that the cost can drastically bring down to maybe like 1/3 or not even. And so it's definitely worth highly recommending anyone to want to just do a quick makeover. Try it. If it doesn't work, then use something more heavy duty, higher quality. But for me, 2 years rental, not even, maybe 13 months if you want to stay, if you stay in an apartment for 13 months, it's great. And it's still going to cost you like $100, $200. Once we install it, it's going to look good. The idea is to match the black. Upper is also a different color tone. When we design the spaces, we don't want to just look at small area. We will have to look at the entire space 360 degrees. When I'm not sitting in the living room, I would see a kitchen. And the first thing I look at it is the cabinets, right? So by doing so, let's give you the illusion. The whole thing already looks so beautiful with the black. Wow. These cabinets are so dated. It's like, we don't see that, because most landlords are very stingy in Hong Kong. Even they see wooden cabinets like this because they know that they're renting out the spaces, and so they really just don't care what the quality, the sitting condition, all of this. It's like falling apart. Look at all this. Maybe like 10, 20 years ago, and that's very typical Hong Kong rental apartment. Look at it, look at the quality. Don't look at the back, but look at the front, because we're doing some cosmetic work, just like ladies put on powder, like makeup. We're doing the front and we're going through. And when we're done, when we finish, the whole thing will look so beautiful. Look at the cabinets. Right? Drastic improvement, cost nothing except the labor. If you want to elevate your kitchen even more, consider adding accessories like doorknobs that reflect your personality. Flooring plays a significant role in this transformation, so consider adding a floor mat. It can drastically change the look and feel of the space. Remember, the kitchen is all about organization and functionality, and we will get to that in the future with you. Aside from those, the black stickers that I showed you guys previously for the kitchen renovation, in the reality and the professional environments, most of the time we will use other really professional, higher quality, heavy duty materials. Just want to give you guys some ideas. We can all expand our visions other than just the black materials, the black color. There are some other alternative options. You know, look at these beautiful timber looking finishes that you can use. Of course, the price will be much higher, and you can tell exactly the price now because of inflation. But I just want to share with all of you that we can select more than just the black material. There's some other alternatives. And even the timber, hundreds of thousands of materials out in the market. This one is like fabric looking, and then this one is like a metal, like a rustic metal, and it's gonna see it better. It's a beautiful timber finish. Also got some other fabric looking with texture, even with leather. This one looks like stone, you know, with variety. See it better. And then the weight, and then some other. There's so many. So we can all use some of our creativities and use some imagination when you want to create your own kitchen. This one's like fabric, leather, beautiful. You guys enjoy it?
Stay tuned for the next episode.
I truly value your comments, so please feel free to share your thoughts below. And of course, make sure to give a like to this channel, share it with your friends, and subscribe to your notification. Thank you once more for tuning in. Let's create a beautiful world together. See you next time.